So I've seen a couple of these get dropped off for recycling lately, and I suppose people, you know, they're not getting the charge out of them that they want to, and they don't realize that it's pretty easy to fix the battery in these things. So, you know, a battery for this only costs between, you know, 8 and 13 bucks, depending on where you're looking and what quality you buy. It's a PowerSonic. So it's as simple as removing these screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws here, and they're all Phillips. And then got to slice this sticker at the bottom so that you can open this up. Okay, and these 2 adhesive pads too. And then, like you see, it just opens right up, and voila, you got your battery right there. Okay, and it's as simple as remembering black goes on black and red goes on red. I'll bring you in for a closer look here. All right, so you see we got the black wire going to the black and the red wire going to the red. We're just gonna take them off and put the battery on the same way. Now, some of these tabs have a little nubbin, and it clicks down into this hole here. Okay, so sometimes you have to find something to wiggle in there so we can get this rubber back. You either are going to need to depress it to pop it out, or if it's coming from the bottom, to figure out a way to lift it up. Okay, came off quite violently, didn't it? Alright, we do the same here. I'm just getting in under it and lifting up. And sometimes just by doing that, you bend the metal enough to where it stays up even after you take the tool out. Yeah, I felt that click in. That's on. Nice. We got black here. I do like to take a Sharpie or a date code of some kind to indicate when I installed this battery. And we'll just go ahead and put this back the way we found it. So of course, trying to get those tabs off, everything moves. So this line got this big faux button on it. Okay. The power button over here, the charging port. Back in place. Now, just gonna, last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure this wire is running down in this groove so it's not sticking out the side or bottom of the box. This is a 6-volt battery. It's rated for 4 amps, so it technically can put out 4.5 amps. And it's in there. We're gonna make sure all our wires are tucked out of place here. We'll put the lid back on here. We're just gonna put our screws right back in. All right, we've got everything put back together. Now this will need a good charge, but let's see if it turns on. Man, that thing's roaring, ready for action. Cool. All right, guys, this has been how you replace a battery on a rechargeable air pump. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.